Guess what I'm about to do? I can officially no longer restrain myself. We're gonna do another piercing. Can you guess which one it is? Before we get started here, 1, I am not a professional piercer. 2, I don't recommend doing this at home. 3, I have no training. I've done a bunch of my own piercings, so I do them at home. 4, no, I'm not gonna wear gloves. Yes, I do have gloves, but I'm still not gonna wear them, just to annoy you, okay? All that being said, let's get down to it. So I took my bridge piercing out like 2 months ago, or close to 2 months ago. It's fully closed. There's no way for me to get a piercing back in there. It was actually like closed up the next day, surprisingly. But yeah, it's time to stabby another hole in my face. I remarked it. My last bridge was slightly crooked, and I remarked this one to be straight. Last time I used the clamp, and I'm wondering if it's a better idea for me to freehand this one. I don't know. I feel like I'll have more control if I freehand it. Got my 12 gauge needle. Where are you? Oh, there we go. I think this looks straighter than last time. I know it doesn't look perfectly straight again, but I think this is better, okay? We're just gonna say it is because, yeah. Go in here. Oh my god, that was the weirdest feeling ever. I did pierce through scar tissue, so more blood is to be expected. I'll come back when it's done bleeding. See, and people ask, why do you have so many piercings? Do you see the joy on my face? This is amazing. She's gorge. Okay, this one's definitely straighter than the last one, right, guys?